what's up everybody? My name's Ben.
I'm Luke.
And we're from Elite Welding Academy Cincinnati campus. Today we're back with another video on Elite Welding Academy's most frequently asked questions. What's up, football fans? It's preseason time, and we're here at the Core Crew office located in Cincinnati, Ohio, which means we're Cincinnati Bengals fans. They have their first game tonight at 7 p.m. We're teaming up with Elite Welding Academy and Outlaw Leather to bring you guys a really awesome NFL giveaway. All you have to do to enter this giveaway is follow Core Crew, Elite Welding Academy, and Outlaw Leather on Instagram. I want you to share this post to your story and comment your favorite Bengals player in the comments down below. That's it. We're going to be selecting the winner at the Bengals' first home game, which is September 17th against the Ravens. Have a good one and good luck.